Hello, welcome to room 233, Springhill Suites in Leander, Texas. Cedar Park, Texas. My bad. As you walk into the room, you see your shelves with a microwave, refrigerator. It's cold, good. Your Keurig if you like coffee, storage space. More storage space. You have a sofa with a table. I only have a separate little tray. It's cool. Is it a sleeper sofa? Let's see. Nope. I don't know. No, that's wood. It's not a sleeper. And your desk. Nice. You have some USB ports here for charging. One here, outlet there. They disappointed me. They didn't have the TV on, but they had a TV. Is this storage? Yes. These are drawers with some under counter storage. In the bathroom. Oh, let me show you. Sliding door. I love that door. All right. Here we go with the bathroom. It's a large.
Just a
You have
handicap.
a chair. So this is an accessible room. So if you you know they have accessible rooms. Oh, the sink is kind of low so that you can reach it. Your tissue towels. Nice. Hair dryer. And accessible shower and tub. Coming out, we have the closet with your ironing board. So the closet is accessible as well. You see how low the shelves are. So you can hang your stuff. Full-length mirror so that you can check your fit for the evening. We have a king-size bed with outlets and USB ports here. And a drawer. The reading lamp. How you turn that on? Is there a button? Yeah, buttons on the side. And we have a lovely, lovely view of the swimming pool and a lake out back. And we're fishing. Where? Ah, I see. Somebody's over there fishing. Let's see. Nice. That looks like a little seating area on top of the air conditioning if you want to sit there. You can place some bags there if you want. But, here. This has been, make sure I'm in there, I don't know. This has been a room tour for Springhill Suites. This has been a room tour for Springhill Suites, Marriott, by Marriott, in Cedar Park, Texas. Yes. Very nice place. I recommend it.